Experiencing trouble with your Tesla app connecting to your car, specifically the last seen feature? You're not alone. This issue often arises due to the vehicle entering sleep mode to conserve battery. After 5 to 10 minutes of inactivity, the car's telematics unit disconnects, hindering communication with the app. We'll show you how to troubleshoot and resolve this. Make sure to have all steps demonstrated on screen for users to follow along. Tesla's sleep mode is a power-saving feature that disconnects the car's communication systems when idle. This mode is triggered by a lack of motion, open doors, or app interactions. While essential for battery life, it prevents the app from receiving real-time updates, leading to last-seen errors. The vehicle stays asleep to prevent battery drain. It is important to understand this key element. The simplest way to fix Tesla app connectivity issues is to wake up your vehicle. When a Tesla enters sleep mode to save battery, the telematics unit disconnects, causing the last seen feature to show outdated information. Here are 3 basic methods to wake it up. First, try approaching your Tesla with the key fob in your pocket. As you get closer, the car's sensors detect the fob and automatically wake from sleep mode. This physical proximity method is reliable and doesn't require any app interaction. Second, physically open any door using the handle. This action immediately activates the vehicle's systems and wakes the telematics unit, forcing a reconnection with the app. It's a quick and direct method that works even if the key fob isn't nearby. Third, if you have app access, use the wake up command. Open the Tesla app, navigate to the controls section, and tap the wake up button if it's available. This sends a signal directly to the vehicle to exit sleep mode and reconnect the telematics system. When the vehicle wakes up, you'll see the Tesla emblem appear on the vehicle's screen, indicating it's now active and reconnecting. The last seen feature in the app should update within a few moments. Once your Tesla is awake, check the app to confirm the last seen information is current. If the connectivity issues persist after trying these basic wake-up methods, you'll need to move on to checking network connectivity or other advanced troubleshooting steps. A common solution is to clear the app cache or reinstall the Tesla app. This can resolve corrupted data or authentication issues. First, clear the Tesla app cache to fix any corrupted data that might be causing connectivity problems. Delete the app from your device to remove any persistent issues. After deleting the app, restart your device to clear any temporary system issues. Then, reinstall the Tesla app from the App Store or Google Play Store. Finally, log back in with your Tesla account credentials to complete the reset. If basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve the connectivity issue, try advanced solutions like rebooting your Tesla's infotainment system or ensuring your vehicle has the latest software updates. To reboot the infotainment system, press and hold both scroll wheels on the steering wheel for about 10 seconds until the screen turns off and restarts. This refreshes the car's software and network settings. Ensure your Tesla is running the latest software version by checking for updates in the car's settings menu. Go to Controls, then Software, and select Check for Updates. If an update is available, select Install Now. The vehicle may need to be plugged in and parked safely while the update installs. After updating, check the release notes to see if connectivity improvements were included. Your vehicle should now have better app synchronization. Tesla is actively working to improve app connectivity through innovative technologies and future vehicle designs. Future vehicles like the Cybertruck promise seamless integration with improved antenna and 6G-ready hardware, reducing connectivity issues significantly. Tesla is exploring Starlink satellite connectivity to serve rural areas, decreasing reliance on cellular networks and cutting reported issues by up to 40%. Expect proactive diagnostics and AI-assisted troubleshooting in future app updates, using machine learning to predict and prevent connectivity drops. By 2027, experts predict a 50 to 70% reduction in connectivity issues through frameworks like autopilot connectivity. The future is looking good for Tesla owners.